Okay, good afternoon, teacher. This is my blog space here. I'm Mr. Jefferson Cuesta Correa. And for today, I have my blog. I have my beautiful Buenaventura, myth and legends. Today, we're going to talk about a legend that is very common in the Pacific region. It is La Tunda. The Tunda is in the mythology of the region of the South Pacific, Colombian and Ecuadorian North Pacific, especially among the Afro-American community, a monster woman with similarities with a vampire that draws people to the forests and retains them captive there. Sometimes takes the form of a loved one, like looking like a child's mother, with which she manages to attract the child to the forest. There she feeds them with prawns she has developed farted shrimp, in order to keep her victims docile in a kind of trance state. This is called entundamiento, and it is said that a person is found entundado. Communities are very afraid of this vision, as it is called, and to return the children who were entundados, perform Afro rituals, meet the godparents, and carry the hide with joyful chants that makes the tunda away and leave their victim free. Okay, this is the translation in here, font symbols. Thanks a lot for this opportunity. I really appreciate it, teacher. For real, I've learned a lot during these sections. Thank you very much, and I hope you to have a very nice and Merry Christmas. Thank for the opportunity of watching my video, and I'll be waiting or expecting the comments that you're going to have for us. Thanks a lot from Buenaventura.